everyone, we're going into Module 7. I'm here with Neeraj, and we're going to go into the store setup.
Yep.
Okay, it is really technical. There are a lot of specific details that go with it. There's either going to be a separate video or there's going to be a PDF file. Make sure you look out for it. Can you fill us in about, the store setup and some things that, are really good about setting up your store?
Okay, so the basic setup includes, set up your domain name, set up your email address, set up your notification emails, your help desk email, and setting up your currency, setting up your Shopify payments, the PayPal payments, and the more important, the emails.
So pretty general things.
That's pretty much general. But for our custom shirt store, we actually customize our notification emails, sending them that it will take some time, the delivery thing. So I change it to like with the subject line important, about delivery timing, about shipping time, or all that stuff. So you have to educate your customer that you are taking time to customize and personalize their product and design that and sending that to shipping. So you have to educate them. So it works well.
Well, it's a little bit nicer on the eye as well, and they're reading something that makes them feel more comfortable.
Exactly, and there is something you can even take an opportunity to send them the coupon.
Okay.
Like if you want to buy like in 30 minutes, you can get the free shipping or something. So it again adds some revenue into the system. So maybe not everybody is buying. Maybe 2 people or 3 people out of 100 people are buying, but still you are making some bucks at the end.
Right.
So how the taxes are done. I mean what are the shipping details, how it works. So these are the things we'll go through. We will set up I will actually set up this I Love My Sweet Dog from the very scratch.
Okay.
I will delete all settings and I will do all the settings again. So I will make a video of how a raw store is converted into something very professional store.
And a customizable store.
Yes, exactly. Okay. The custom shirts, t-shirt store.
Perfect.
So we'll be letting you know how to integrate the Facebook pages with them, and how to add the staff accounts, and how to add the logo, how to do the tricky settings into that system, if we have to write something into the cart page, how to write that. If we have to change some buttons, how to change the buttons. If we have to change the text on the buttons, like I write always on the checkout button, I write always enter your shipping address.
Okay.
So people are more like they are not gonna buy just now, let's add the shipping address. So they are more comfortable,
Absolutely.
So it adds a little more sales at the back end. So and I will advise that you write all that, your address and phone numbers and contact details and live chat, everything must be there. So we'll be going through that section as well while setting up the store, how to set up the banners in this particular themes. The theme I am using, the minimum theme I use. So I will set up like a banner with the customer photographs. It adds more trust. So I actually write actual photo.
Okay.
I mean actual customers. So it is not the model but actual customers. So while you are running the store, you keep sending them emails via some reviewing app, that if you send us photos of your t-shirt or something like that, so we can send you another t-shirt for free or some coupon or whatever. I mean it will certainly help you out doing marketing. So there should be a place to track your order. So there should be a place to contact us, and the size chart and about us should be perfectly good. A lot of people who are suspicious, like, what is this site about? I like the product but I don't like site.
Okay.
What is this site about? So let them know who you are and about us. Add some photographs over there from the customer, so they should understand that if people are buying, they are good.
Perfect.
And that the new customer will be good. So There is privacy policy, how to do that, and the refund policy, exchange policy. We have to go through that. So it should be like the overall structure where we are. Why the philosophy is to reach somewhere that our store is trustworthy. Our store is descriptive enough. Our store is set up to facilitate the customer in easy way.
Absolutely.
And it adds a lot of trust, and it is as professional as it can be,
Perfect.
and it is not over complicated.
Absolutely.
So yep.
So basically what I'm getting out of this is it's very specific, and you will be giving us more specific steps in another video or a PDF. But you do want your customer to come to the store. They want to see, it needs to be very vibrant to the eye, and they need to feel safe.
Yeah.
And you want them to keep coming. Okay?
Exactly.
It needs to be very personable. And they're already there because they like something they saw. Now they need to see something a little bit more.
Yeah.
So we're going to head into module 8, which is the store setup apps.
Yeah,
And-
we'll be talking about apps, but again, we'll be talking about the apps here. We'll be having another video. We'll be going deep into the apps, how to actually configure those apps.
Perfect.
So if we will be configuring those apps, that will go long. That will not be just talk, because
Okay.
it will be long enough. So it will be taking hours to set up the apps and each and
Yes.
every app, and why we are doing this and why we are doing that.
Perfect.
So we'll be having another video for that module, but we will be discussing few apps, why we need those apps
Okay.
in the next module.
Perfect.
Okay.
Stay tuned.